We all need inner light to overcome the trials of life. This light comes from God, and Christ gives it to us. Those were Pope Benedict XVI's words at the Angelus, commenting on the Gospel of the second Sunday of Lent. The mystery of the Transfiguration, the Pope explained, should not be detached from the context of the path that Jesus is making. After the experience of the desert, the Son of God invites us to climb the mountain to reveal his divine glory, the splendor of truth and love. God is light, said the Pope, and asked everyone not to be ashamed of being Christian. Jesus wants to give his friends the most intimate experience of this light. Dwelling in Jesus is the light that never goes out, even in the darkest times.